Pizzas are so yummylicious, cheesylicious, and delicious. If your taste buds are craving for one, then many must be wondering, what does da Tita mean? Well, da in Italian means from, and Tita is the name of the owner here. Hence, da Tita or from Tita. This is an authentic Italian family-owned business and begun in the year 1999 by the name of Magic Italy, a restaurant serving Italian cuisine which is located on the coastal belt of Palolem. So that makes it 25 years of exposure in pizzas, pastas and sandwiches. Wow! There is also live music presented to you here on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday and Monday night as you sit along and enjoy some Italian food. Drinks are of course served here along with your food if required, and there is an authentic gelato too here in various flavors which you wouldn't want to miss. The menus have been curated over the years and the recipes are traditional family recipes. Now let me share with you the menu so that you can have a look at the items and prices if it fits into your budget. Take your time to read and pause this video in between if necessary. We were served a complimentary item upon taking our seats known as focaccia, which is flat leavened oven baked Italian bread with tomato sauce. We chose freshly prepared orange juice in the hot afternoon and the pizza of our choice, which you all will get to know later on in this video, along with a review on it. So don't go anywhere, things can wait. While my pizza order was just given, I got to witness the preparation of someone else's order. The dough is prepared and further stretched. The kitchen and preparation area is very clean and hygienic. There is a layer of sauce added and the mozzarella cheese is spread across the dough. Then veggies or meat is added depending upon what type of pizza you choose, and then it is finally put in the oven. Now this was our pizza which we ordered. And without wasting much time, we used seasoning provided and started munching into some authentic Italian pizza here in Goa. As I munched into it, I began comparing the flavors with pizzas that I had at other joints, as well as Pizza Hut and Domino's. We also had mother-son discussions between ourselves about how the pizza and everything about this place was.
Hey guys, so now is the review time. So this place is really nice and we ordered the super polar pizza, a lot of chicken in it, and we both liked the pizza, I and my mom, and the price was around 630, so it is quite reasonable. We liked the topping, the crust was thin, and along with that we had orange juice, which was priced about at 180. I think that was a bit pricey, but overall for pizza, this place is really good. You all can come here and try it in Majorda. So see you all till then in my next video. Bye.